Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. Why would I want to use Java? Well, here's a peek ahead at the answer. Because we'll be able to develop easily. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Let me explain the disclaimer. This video is made for educational purpose, and the information provided by myself is for general information purposes only. As a STEAM enthusiast, I have expressed my creative ideas and views through maths and software technology, and wanted to deliver useful creative content for aspiring candidates. All information is provided in good faith, however, we make no representation or warranty of any kind, express or implied, regarding the accuracy, adequacy, validity, reliability, availability, or completeness of this information. The video materials comprise myself and my coworkers' views. They neither constitute legal, professional advice nor opinions of people, institutions, or organizations. You should do thorough research on your own and consult your professional advisor before experimenting and exercising content from these videos. Furthermore, any views and opinions in this video are my personal. Take what really resonates and meets your needs and leave what does not. Let's dive in further. I am going to cover another important topic. It is based on trains, distance, time, and velocity. Train problems form an integral part of the time and speed questions. Similar to the concept of speed, distance, and time, train problems are specifically based on evaluating the speed, distance covered, and time is taken by a train under different conditions. There are specific formulas which are to be used to find answers to the train-based questions, and candidates must memorize them in order to crack the answer for problems on trains. A train moving at speed of 90 km per hour crosses a pole in 7 seconds. Find the length of the train. Here is an answer with explanation. Length of the train is equal to the distance covered by train to cross the pole. So, we will find the distance traveled by the train in 7 seconds by applying the following formula. The formula is distance equals speed multiplied by time. Speed is given in km/hr, so we will convert it into m/s as answers are given in meters. Speed equals 90*5 divided by 18 is equal to 25 meters per second. Time equals 7 seconds. Distance equals 25 asterisk multiplied by 7 is equal to 175 meters. A train of length 200 meters crosses a man running at 10 kilometers per hour in the same direction in 10 seconds. What is the speed of the train? Here is an explanation. When the train and man are moving in same direction, then relative speed will be the difference between their individual speeds. In this problem, the other way to find the relative speed is to divide the distance covered, length of train, by the time taken by the train to cross the man. Relative speed equals 200 divided by 10. We will convert it into km per hr. 10 is equal to 72 km per hr. Now, let the speed of the train is x km per hr. So, the relative speed, 72 km per hr equals x km per hr 10 km per hr. X minus 10 is equal to 72. X equals 72 plus 10. X equals 82 km per hr. A train moving at 50 km per hour crosses a bridge in 45 seconds. The length of train is 150 meters. Find the length of the bridge. Here is an answer with explanation. The distance covered by train when it crosses the bridge is equal to the sum of length of the train and length of the bridge. Speed of train in meter per second equals 125 divided by 9. Time equals 40 seconds. Let the length of the bridge is x. Speed of train equals addition of length of bridge and length of train divided by time taken to cross the bridge. After solving the equation step by step, the value of x is calculated as 5,175 divided by 9, that gives us the length of bridge as 475 meters. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Programmers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. The JDK is a development environment for building applications using the Java programming language. The JDK 12.0.2 Windows x64 bin includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java and running on the Java platform. In addition, the Spring Tool Suite, STS, provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all of the latest enterprise Java and Spring and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. STS supports application targeting to local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It is freely available for development, and internal business operations use with no time limits. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the distance for earlier solved problem 1. Define the speed and time member variables and initialize them. Next, the distance is calculated as the product of speed and time. The last step is to return the distance. Here I am printing the result by calling velocity time distance method. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the distance for earlier solved problem 2. Define the relative speed and speed variables and initialize them. Next, the speed of the train is calculated as the sum of relative speed and speed variables. The last step is to return the speed of the train. Here I am printing the result by calling velocity time distance method. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the length of bridge for earlier solved problem 3. Define the relative speed and time variables and initialize them. Next, the length of the bridge is x. Therefore, the speed of train equals length of bride plus length of train by time taken to cross the bridge. The last step is to return the length of the bridge. Here I am printing the result by calling velocity time distance method. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica channel.